Hello and welcome. My name is Ramona and I live in the countryside of Denmark. I have traveled to many forests and can always enjoy the good company of trees. I love photography, especially for its ability to capture the magic and sacredness of nature. I always follow my curiosity and find joy in learning from the nature around me. I hope you'll join me in this great journey of deeply interacting with the earth through the art of photography. My practice explores the poetry of the everyday and the fearlessness of radically belonging to the earth. I mostly take photographs of raw landscapes and cute toads, but also of people among rivers and trees, because I want to invoke an ancient relationship between the human being and the land. Will you help me heal our disconnection from nature? These are a few photographs I took on my trip to this conifer forest. I like to print them and send them to my friends, along with a handwritten letter. I might not know you personally, but you can also receive my photographic postcards in your mailbox, along with some other goodies if you'd like. I print posters, make videos, craft tutorials, and offer sneak peeks behind the scenes of my creative processes. You can find more about these on my Patreon page. Take a look, maybe you'll like it. Be well, my friend. I send you my warm greetings.